Welcome back to HTML and CSS videos tutorial. This is our third part. Our end result with this video is going to look like this. In this video, we're going to learn about the HTML elements, how to properly display them on a page, and what each element stands for and represent. So this is how this is going to look into the code editor. We're going to start here. I'm just going to simply uncomment this line and then paste this line and then use this as a h2 tag and so on for the h3, just to show you out of the box different size of the title tags and how they look. So as you can see, the h1 is way bigger than the h2 and h3. Okay, we're going to see more in details about the structure and how to use them properly in the page in later lessons. Now let's move on to our paragraph tag. So the P tag, paragraph tag, is what we use to write our paragraph, our text, a body text or text of the section itself. And for this example, I used a bunch of dummy text, which I reference in the link description below this video, so you can grab it for yourself. And here it is. So the paragraph text needs to be displayed inside of the P tag or paragraph tag. Okay, the next one on the list is the image tag. So whenever we want to display the image on the page, we need to use the image tag with its attribute source. And then with the quotation, you reference the name of the image to point out it's in the same directory as my index.html file, which is the root. So that's how I point it out here. And then we have a second attribute, ALT, which stands for alternative text. And this is good for SEO and web accessibility. We save this and see how it looks. All right. Also, I provided the reference link for using the test images. The next one is the anchor tag or a link tag. And then in my case, I left this blank, but here is where we would put example.com site or whatever link inside of our page or website. This is how it looks. So by default, it's clickable. So the next one is unordered list. So let me show you how that looks. Just going to do a couple of these. Here I'm going to specify a couple of unordered list items. So for example, I don't know, car, house, school. So this is just to show you how it's going to look on the page. Unordered list looks a little bit different. So it starts with the OL tag, and then inside we have LI as well. Now in this case, I'm going to use the same thing here. But however, in this case, they're going to show up with the number in front. We use the same thing to display what we're going to learn in our lesson here at the beginning as well. Make sure to follow along with the next video. We're going to use CSS to style this page and make it look really nice.